all these loads on their head, they are forced. But this is not the only sport. We are going to meet another sport, which is even worse than this, according to them. I will video there also when we read there. The next sport is even worse than this. More than 200 people. You look at it. Yeah. There's no way. There's no way. 24th Christmas Eve, with just the hope of going to find something, go and sell their produce so they can enjoy Christmas, buy something new, eat something well for their family, together with their family. Look at it, more than 200. I was underestimating because already more than 100 have gone, and you can see the crowd ahead. Still more than 200 people today. People with the hope of just going to sell their produce to enjoy Christmas. This is what we have missed. People from all sides. Tricycles, tipper trucks, coming trucks, and motorbikes, more than 50 are all stuck here. And the tricycles, more than 20 are stuck. And this is not the starting, that this is not even the last one. Unless there's still a worse sport. There is still a worse sport. Come to the aid of these people who have for no sin of this, that they live here are suffering this plight. Can they say Merry Christmas? Of course they have to. They have to say Merry Christmas. They have to. They want to enjoy Christmas. Some are saying, even now, if they go, how are they going to come back? But they are expecting to go sell their produce and also buy something from the market. How are they going to come back? Some are going to spend the Christmas probably on the road, if we meet them. Some spend the night here yesterday.